welcome back to my channel. This is me, Aditi, and in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look right here. This is a really beautiful full glam, like full coverage makeup look, and I really don't wear these kind of makeup looks that often, but I thought of creating something which is like really party appropriate. You can wear this look with Indian and Western outfit as well. Wherever you are comfortable wearing this look, you can actually wear this. So yeah, if you guys want to know that how I created this look, then please continue watching, and all the products that I used to create this look will be mentioned in the description bar below, so you can check that out. And yeah, with that, let's get started. Alright, so to begin with, I'm gonna apply moisturizer. That's what I always say. You wanna moisturize your skin pretty well before putting makeup on your skin. And for that, I'm taking this Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh Gel. This moisturizer contains vitamin E and glycerin, which is really good for your skin, especially if you have, dry skin. Glycerin is really nice for you. So you can see how glowy and plump my skin is looking, and that's why I always say moisturize your skin before putting on makeup. And even if you're not wearing makeup, moisturizing is must for your skin. So once my skin is nicely moisturized, I'm gonna prime my face. For primer, I'm taking this nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. So this primer tones, smoothens and perfect your skin. For a drugstore primer, this is a really nice one. I absolutely love using this, and especially because this is silicone based and I have the pore issue around my nose, so I always use something which helps me with that. And this literally blurs completely like my pores. So I'm just gonna apply this right here, and I'm just you can see pushing this into my skin. I don't know if you guys can see or not on camera, but this literally fill in your pores completely. Around my smile lines as well. So my face is now completely prepped and primed for makeup application. So firstly, I'm taking this base product, and for that I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Foundation. This is in the shade Nude Beige. So I always like to shake the bottle for a few seconds so everything is nicely mixed. To apply my foundation, I'm using a damp beauty blender. This is from the brand Pack. I'm gonna apply my foundation using this, and I'm firstly just damping the foundation all over my face, and then I'll just start blending it, and I'm following the dabbing motion. So now for concealer, I'm taking these two concealer. The one is from LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and the other one is Wet n Wild Concealer. So I'm gonna use the mix of these two concealer. This LA Girl concealer is very close to my skin tone, so this will help to cancel out the darkness, and the Wet n Wild concealer is a brightening concealer, so that will give me that brightening and that highlighty effect. So to blend this out, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender. Now I'm using the tip of my beauty blenders to blend it out. Now to set my concealer, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. From the palette, I'm taking this bright banana shade and I'm using my beauty blender. So just take the shade on your beauty blender and then I'll just set the concealer right there. So my concealer is now completely set. Now to set my entire face, I'm using this Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact Powder and this is in the shade Melon Matte. Again, I'm just tapping my beauty blender on the pan and taking the product and then just lightly set my foundation. Now to give my face the dimension back, I'm again using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And now I'm gonna use this darker brown shade right here to contour my face lightly. I always, like very softly contour my face, and you can say I like to bronze up my face more than to contour. So I'm just gonna take this. This is like really pigmented, so just take it and dust off the excess and then start applying this just above the hollow of your cheeks. I'm firstly just damping the brush and depositing the pigment right there, and then I lightly start blending it in circular motions. This is a really beautiful shade. You can use this as a bronzer and you can use this as a contour as well. So now for blush, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush and this is in the shade Mellow Wine. And you can see I have just dipped my brush once and this is the pigment. Now I'll just quickly do my brows. So firstly I'm using the spoolie to brush through my brows. So I'm taking this Fashion Brow Cream Pencil from Maybelline and this is in the shade Dark Brown. So I'll just make hair-like stroke using this. Just follow the natural hair direction. Again using the spoolie to brush through, so if there is any excess product, the spoolie will take that off. So for my eyes, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette and this is in the shade Rose in the Air. and I'm lightly just flecking it out. So this will, give me that lifted eye. Again, I'm going to apply this dark brown shade on my crease, but I will not go above my crease. Applying the same shade on the outer corner as well. I'm using the same transition shade that I applied before, this orangey shade, and I'm gonna blend the edges with this dark brown shade. Applying the dark brown shade close to my lash line. And then the transition shade. Now I'm taking this another Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Nude Awakening. So now I'm taking this Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Liner. I'm gonna apply a wing liner using this. So let's pray to God and let's see how will this go. I'm just gonna extend the liner from the inner corner. So both my eyes are now done. So now for mascara, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. So before applying mascara, I always curl my lashes. That's what I'm gonna do. For lips, I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. So before applying that, I'm firstly gonna line my lips, and for that I'm taking this Wet n Wild lip liner. So the last step, I'm using this highlighter, and this is from the brand K Beauty. It's their K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look and I really love how this look has turned out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope you guys like this look as well. So if you guys like this look and enjoyed the video, then please give this a big thumbs up and also share this video with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that means a lot to me. So please do that and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.